Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, Powell came out last night and said that interest rates will be eased off as soon as December, from as soon as December. So, and the market rallied based on that news. But I think there's a very valid lesson here. The 8 hour, the trend has been up, so you want to be trading with the trend. It doesn't matter what you see and any of the lower time frames, you know you're going against the trend. So that's pretty much what happened. We now have a crossover on the 8 hours with this big engulfing bar. So you would be wise to be looking for structure and looking for opportunities to buy into this. I'm just going to put this level here. There are two there. I'm going to take the bottom one here because that is a break above the previous week. It is another monthly close higher, and the important part here is the close above this 34,328. That to me validates what I've been saying well, not all year, but probably for the last 3 months, that this is starting to look like a flag. And now you see you have a crossover with diversions here on the monthly and a monthly close above that trend line. So what does that mean for us today? Pretty simple actually. We've got a solid 3-hour bar up there based on the news, and you can see here is the level that we need to be paying attention to. These levels, and you can see this 30014, which I said to you yesterday is what we need to, is our line in the sand. We get above that, you're looking for a retest of that for a move up. I don't think we're going to get a retest at the moment. So this is also, there's a trend line, and you can see back down to test the trend line basically, and then a massive engulfing bar, and that is extremely bullish. So it's happened before a couple of times, see there, and then a little squirt up and then sideways, then another move up. So trend is up on the 3-hour as well. That's what you should be trading with the trend. Right, so let's just run through yesterday. Yesterday it didn't really, we were looking for some structure. There was a little bit of structure here. You can see there's a swing low there, in which we came to test and then came back down. Looking for something down here, but nothing really materialized, and then bounced up. So yesterday, ignore this big spike here, you can see the trend was down, so what you're looking for is pullback still onto structure, and that was probably the closest bit of structure you had, was this mess that we've got here. If I just use my mouse, let's just do this rather. Now you can see there is a whole area here of potential chaos, and that's pretty much where we got to, sort of. Anyway, I'm quite happy sitting on my hands. Gap is closed now as well, so I'm looking for a retest of this. That's pretty much as simple as that. So looking for pullback onto 34,320, 34,320, looking for an opportunity here to find some support. Maybe a bit of noise that drives us a little bit lower down into this 3400 area. Remember, that is the neckline of the double bottom, so that is also possible, but I suspect probably something like this, pull back into here, move up, or let's check if there are little gaps here. Fairly structured. So, or what we're looking for is a bit of a flag forming here, and then the flag is going to break to the upside. So this is going to be a 5-minute chart to trade today, and I would be watching both. I'd be watching this zone, and then what I would be doing is watching the flag. So flagpole, flag, break, retest. So break above the highs of yesterday, and then a pullback and a retest of that. That's going to give you a fantastic opportunity to be long. Nice, probably 160 point stop loss for a continuation to the upside. But I have a sneaky suspicion you may see a December rally now. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Definitely now looking to go with the bigger trend, which is long. I don't think we're going to get any more deeper pullbacks, and for as long as we're above the moving averages, it is an opportunity to go long. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.